Hi folks, this is Darla DeMauro and I am here at the Container Store. I found something that some of you don't know exists and I'm about to change your world, or maybe just your kitchen, but either way, you're gonna love seeing this. So I'm at the Container Store and look what I found. This is a long plastic drawer that holds lids. You can use it for pots and pans or tons of plastic lids. Either way, I have something like this in my house, have for years, love it. If you notice down here, it actually mounts to the cabinet with just a couple of screws. It's a super easy DIY sort of thing that you can install yourself. It is called a Lid-Made lid organizer. They sell it at the Container Store here for $12.99. Pretty sure you could find something like this on Amazon as well. And look at that. There you go. You can see how the lids fit in there. And if you feel like you do not have enough room for your lids, but you have a cabinet that just has a regular old shelf like this, this is a perfect way to maximize some of the space in your kitchen. Hope you like this idea. Bye.